Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play with friends inside of Heartopia. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to add friends, you'll need to reach a DG member guild level 4. Once you hit level 4, you unlock the friendship journal, which is where all the social magic happens. So basically, go ahead and click on the menu icon on the top right hand corner of the page. Now inside of here, it's going to show you what DG member you are. So I'm currently on this account. It's a fresh account. I need to get to, it will say DG member 4 before we can start adding friends. Now once you do reach it, you're going to need your friend's user ID. So you can find it by going to their profile through the menu, copy their ID, and then you can send them a friend request. Once they accept it, you can visit their town. Each town can host up to 12 players, so you and your friends can hang out, explore, and enjoy the game together. And that's it. Easy way to connect and play in Heartopia.